Now I am going to discuss the last section, section E. This part consists of 3 questions. It is case study based question 36 to serial number 36 to 38. This having 4 marks each. Each question having 3 parts, 1 marks, 1 marks and 2 marks. So there will be total small question, total 12 question and part of the question, and there will be some alternate also in between the inside the question itself. So this segment require little bit more time to study, uh, to have the concept clear, and so you can take maximum 20 minutes time. Okay, so let us see what type of question. The little bit lengthier question is there, but if you studied it, it needs a little time to calculate. Okay, so first question, they are asking Manpreet Kaur is the national record holder for women in the shot put discipline. Her throw of 18.86 at the Asian Grand Prix 2017 is the maximum distance for an Indian athlete. Keeping her as a role model, Sanjita is determined to earn gold in Olympics one day. After this, there is whole story. Initially, her throw reached 7.56 meter only the first time. So, being an athlete in school, she regularly practiced both in the morning and in the evening, was able to improve the distance by 9 centimeter per week. So, per week, every week 9 centimeter and initially 7.56. During the special camp for 15 days, she started with 40 throws in every day, keeping increasing the number of throws by 12 to achieve this remarkable progress. So, starting for, during campaign, first throw 40 throws and increase the number by 12 regularly. Okay, so what are the question? How many throws Sanjita practiced on 11th day? The total is she had throw 40 throws first time, so that will be first term of arithmetic progression 40, and keeping increasing 12 regularly means that will be your interval, that is D. Okay, common difference 12. So they're asking how many throws Sanjita in 11th term. So formula is A n minus 1 D. So if you put the value 40, 11 minus 1 into 12, it will give you 160 throws. So Sanjita 11 day 160 throws. What would be the Sanjita throw distance at the end of 6 weeks? It is again term question. In the school practice, 6 weeks. 6 weeks mean number here given 6. Okay. First term, first distance what? First distance was 7.56. 7.56 was our first distance. This was our 5. Okay. And 9 was common difference every week. So centimeter you can convert them to meter. 0.09. So this will give you this value 7.56, 6 minus 8.1 meter. Sanjita throw distance at 6 is 8.1 meter. When will she be able to achieve 11.16? That is 11.16 is to after how many weeks? Okay, let's see. N is unknown. 11.6 is the first term. Okay, 7.56 n minus 1 into common difference 0.9. So n will be 41. So when she will be achieved 41 to 41 week. Okay, how many throws did she do during the entire camp of 15 days? How many throws? Okay, total sum of the throws. how many throws did she do during the entire 15 days. So n is 15, okay, and first row is 40. So this is the formula, sum n by 2 2a n minus 1 by 2. So 15 by 2 240. So total throws will be 1860. Okay, total. This is the first question. See here, two question. Here one option is given here. So total 3 parts of the question. 37. Taranya was thrilled to know that the football tournament is fixed with a only time frame from 22 to 23, and for the first time in FIFA Women's World Cup history. Donation was 10 venues. Our father felt that the game be better understood if the position of the player is known. Okay. In this case, they have given the position of the playground, that is football. So, on this basis, there are question. At in distance, the midfielder and forward form a parallelogram. Find the position of the central midfielder D if the position of other players of the parallelogram is unknown. See here, position, the parallelogram is there. You have to find out position of D, A and B. This is parallelogram. These are given. So this midpoint value, find the midpoint value. A plus 4 divided by 2, B plus 3 divided by 2 will be equal to this. This 1 plus 0 divided by 2, 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Sorry, not 0. This is 1 plus 6 divided by 2, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So if you equate them like this, you will get A equal to 3, B equal to 5. Midpoint. Similarly, check the goalkeeper G 3.5, sweeper 3.1, wingback 0.3 fall on the same line. So find out, here you can find out the these three positions are in the same line. So find out GH, HK and GK by distance formula, x minus y, x1 minus y and x2 minus 1 2 whole square. So you can find the value of GH, HK, and see this is the value of GH 2 root 3, HK and GK root 13 and 2 root 13. If we do sum, it will be equal to 230. One value, that is GH equal to HK plus GK. So definitely they will form a common line, same straight line. Okay. Check if the goalkeeper 3 pair acha. Check if the fullback and center back are equidistant from the forward C, and C is the midpoint of IJ. So here in the question, C01, this distance and this distance equal. So you can find from the distance formula they should be equal. And one more question is that C is the mid IJ. C is the midpoint of IJ. Which one? So center back are equidistant. So you can find the CJ and GI both are root over 41 from this point, and IJ midpoint, for checking midpoint, they are equidistant from C. So C is the midpoint 0 1. So if you find this plus this divided by 2 and this plus this minus 3 plus 6 divided by 2, it will not give 0 in 1. So it is not the midpoint. So second part is not correct. Third, if defensive midfielder 1 for attacking the midfielder 2 3 and striker E A B lie on same straight line and be equidistant from A E E, the position of E. What will be the position of E? See, equidistance and same line. So B should be the midpoint. That means your A, B is the midpoint. 2 and minus 3 is the midpoint. So you can calculate A plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 2 and B plus 4 divided by 2 equal to minus 3. Okay, here A will be 3 and similarly B will be minus 10. So A and B you can find out like this. Okay, this is the last but not the least height and distance question. One evening, Kaushik was in park. Children are playing cricket. Birds are singing on a nearby tree of 80-meter height. He observed a bird on the tree at an angle of elevation 45 degree. When a sixer was hit, a ball flew through the tree, fighting the bright flyaway. In 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at the same height at an angle of elevation 30 degree, and ball flying towards him at the same height at an angle of 60 degree. So in this diagram you can what they are telling here it 80-meter tree, here was bird was there and ball hit it, the bird flown away and 30-degree angle form, and the ball returned back with 60-degree angle form, and the tree is with the elevation of 45 degree. So at what distance from the foot the tree was he was observing the bird on the tree, means at what distance was the tree, that is BC. So it is 1045 degree. You can calculate this perpendicular upon base 80 upon BC. So 80 upon BC means what is the value of BC? 1045 is 1, so BC will be again 80. This is 1 marks. How far did the bird fly in the mentioned time? In the mentioned time means 2 seconds, but flying up to this distance O. So this much bird flown, A, this much distance AD, bird flown AD equal to BE. What will be the distance of BE? From this triangle you can calculate CE, tan 30 equal to 80 by CE. That from the you already calculated BC equal to 80. Subtract that, you will get the value of B. That's mean this much distance the bird flown. So that will be B equal to EC minus CB 80 minus this value is they have calculated cut 80 divided by the 80 root 3. So 80 root 3 minus 80 matlab means 80 bracket root 3 minus 1 distance. After hitting the tree, how far did the ball travel in the sky? One question mark. Means the ball came here, so they are asking what is the distance of AP. AB equal to BC, that's mean 80 you know BC. Now you find out CG, subtract that, you call them BC. So that will be 1060 degree. 80 divided by CG equal to 1060 degree. For 1060 degree value you can get from here. So CG will be 80 divided by root 3. So the distance will be 80 minus 80 root 80 is the common, 1 minus 1 by root 3 will be the required value. What is the speed of the bird in meter per minute if the bird if it had flown 20 this meter? So this is in meter, and distance upon time is 2 seconds. 2 seconds into minute, 2 by 60 minutes. So it will be, if you put the value here, the speed will be 600 root 3 plus 1 meter per minute. Okay, this is the complete question. This way you can calculate and practice. Okay, but I think you could understand and manage your time in the math. Hope you are doing well and will do well. All the best. Thank you.